Welcome to Basic Cylinder Configuration, presented by MFP Seals. Today we are looking at a simplified example of a pneumatic linear actuator. Pneumatic means that the cylinder operates using pressurized air, instead of hydraulic fluid. All cylinders, whether pneumatic or hydraulic, have a few basic components that are the same in either format. These are the piston, the rod, the cylinder, and a gland, which holds the rod seals. The gland shown here is joined with the cylinder, but it is normally a separate component, made of steel or brass, that is threaded or bolted to the cylinder. Typically on a pneumatic linear actuator, the first seal in the gland, the one that is partially exposed to the environment, is a rod wiper, in this example, an H-wiper. The rod wiper is designed to keep contaminants out by wiping the rod clean as it extends and retracts. It also helps keep the air contained within the cylinder. The second seal in the gland is a rod seal, in this case, an HU U-Cup, designed to be activated by the media. The pressurized air activates the U-Cup, which presses the sealing edges against the gland and rod to form a tight seal, preventing any air from leaking out. In the grooves of the piston, you will find two piston seals, in this example, K-Style Asymmetrical Piston U-Cups. When a chamber of the cylinder is pressurized, the U-Cup's sealing lip is activated and creates a tight seal. The trapped pressure makes the piston move in the direction of the unpressurized chamber. The pressure is then allowed to escape as the opposite chamber is pressurized, driving the piston and rod in the other direction. Note that in this example, there are no guide rings on either the rod gland or piston. This design could result in a situation where when the seals become worn out, the piston or rod could come into direct contact with the cylinder or gland, causing damage and rendering the cylinder difficult to repair or inoperable. If you notice a reduction in performance of your pneumatic linear actuators, you should inspect it for possible seal damage, and make repairs before the cylinder or gland are impacted. For more information on seals for pneumatic linear actuators, the different profiles available, and the selection of compounds available, please contact MFP Seals at sales@mfpseals.com, or call us at +1 248 585 8170.